Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not opening on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's open, type in Task Manager and you'll see the Task Manager app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool allows you to see all the programs currently running on your computer and gives you the ability to force close any that might be causing issues. Once Task Manager opens, scroll through the list of running processes until you find Steam. Right-click on Steam and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will completely close Steam and all its background processes, which often resolves issues where the application appears to be frozen or unresponsive. After you end the task, Steam should automatically relaunch itself. Give it a moment to see if it opens properly this time. If Steam still doesn't open correctly, we'll need to clear some cached files that might be causing the problem. Click on the search bar in the bottom left corner again, and this time type in Run. When the Run app appears in your search results, click on it to open the Run dialog box. This is a quick way to access specific folders and system locations on your computer. In the Run box that appears, you'll need to type exactly $local app data $/Steam. Click OK, and this will take you directly to Steam's local data folder where temporary files are stored. Once you're inside this folder, locate the HTML cache folder and delete it. This folder contains cached web content that can sometimes become corrupted and prevent Steam from launching properly. Don't worry about deleting it because Steam will automatically recreate this folder the next time it opens. Alternatively, if the previous steps didn't solve the issue, there's a compatibility setting we can check. Right-click on your Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab at the top. Here, make sure that the option labeled Run this program in compatibility mode is turned off or unchecked. Sometimes this setting can interfere with Steam's ability to launch correctly, especially after Windows updates. If Steam still doesn't work after all these steps, there's one final solution to try. Right-click on your Steam shortcut once more, and this time select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can resolve permission-related issues that might be preventing it from opening. This gives the application full access to all the system resources it needs to function properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam not opening on your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.